Assembly session matam khara sangto hangi dababu opposition leader obo bina pen dabu khondokre amadi Mayur Singh parakya haidu haiba dabi tawduna joint college students forum na ngase yuk CM ge Bangalore thumjin khre Meng tabrib sing taram nok sobolo na pau sanor pijeri Assembly ki nongju mifam numit nini khak pangthok laga loisin khibubu opposition leader Oriba Hanigi Chief Minister okam ibobina pen phongdokre ngasi Congress bom na pangthok paumi sing unabada ma na makha tana haikibada Manipur da hauji leibai issue sing asi mamutana khanana ba Congress party na ngang loisin khiba assembly session asi numit nini humni sangdok na ba haikibada ayaba pikhiba asi pende framework agreement issue asi matana ma na phongdokhibada Center the UPS Sarkar leading MD status the Congress na sasan tawringai matamda Congress party na framework agreement ta Manipuri boundary sokpa yaba wafam yon biyaroi haina takna don lakhibani haujisu Congress party na Manipur gi ngongkhai gi dama khongpham leng no leiri framework agreement yoriba resolution asi karisu khangandana thamliba thong asi yaningde framework agreement ta Naga Singh the special status pibagi wafam amalakliba si karamba status no hangki framework agreement asi matangda miyamna yaba worsin ama purakpana hena fagane haike hani deputy chief minister gaikam amdi MLA kaya yauna pangthokiba paumi sing unabaduda oibu bina makatana haikibada Manipur University ge huzu oru piba masi center na loisin ge haiba mikupta loisin ngangwani framework agreement university ge watho amadi citizenship amendment bill gi matangda house na khanaba fangkidaba se pende haike Congress party na Manipur myang gidamtla leple haike
Handaksi social media da civil society organization kharanasu parliament gi standing committee north east ki law and order gi affairs na pikhat khiba report haiba tare maduda base tawraga congress ti khangbam thui hanigi home minister P Sidambaram na chairman oibanina khangbam thui haina congress ta da adum panbagi mahongda ama sumngakpa sumtajaba hanagi home minister su waramba senior su waiba mana chairman uhenbani atopa BJP gi party gi akhoi gi Manipur gi Rajya Sabha gi MP su committee tu da dum yauri bani akhoi government lai haina ai gi ima ipana ain thugaina tawtar su madu akhoi di madu gi sabsaba ain du ngakna chatna ba khona bada thoning da ba thodok thokhibagi wani aduna akhoi di congress ki standi government laige layu lairoi tu u chief minister toke tu u to oi tu u akhoi government ne ma ad leido akhoi di madu yaba su ngam ngamoi haidana akhoi logi be stand do adumai tawdna hojik sidal leiriba BJP government se sine chu chap chaba stand du lobi u sineba akhoi na haijaningi se
Mayur Singh parakya haidu haiba dabi tawduna joint college students forum na ngasi pung nipalom taba matamda CM ge Bangalore thumjin khre mapamodu da duty taramba police sing yamna thajadaba mawngda Mayur Singh na ayukta khongjin sangsilapa duda sangak na khre mapamodu da Imphal West KSP Jogesh Chandra additional SP Krishna Tombi amadi city OC ingosana singba police officer sing laktuna Mayur Singh losingba sing wari saniki hauziki Manipur University ge vice chancellor ge issue sing matangda Mayur amadi police ka muknarga warusin purakadaba natte Mayur Singh wakhalol kari lei haiba police ki makai digi thamke Mayur Singh makai digi issue sida political gi oiba wafam makoi khangde makoi gi haibabu issue si tuna loisinduna Mayur Singh punsi kanbiu haibani tungda Mayur lusingba khara khangatuna chief minister unanaba sinke khongjang sangsan kiba Mayur Singh adu chief minister Bangalore mamang digi Nupilal complex fabu takthroke phoronggi convener Vikas na matam sangna issue si loisindabana college ki Mayur Singh daso so chaithing pire semester exam haidok tabana makha tamthabada apan bo oigidori Mayur Singh khalaga thu matamna warusin pur uhaike
what is in front of the CM Bangalore due to not declarations of our sixth semester exam. We are very unfortunate that we are students who pursuing a postgraduate, a master. So we need to declare out our exam very soon. It has been more than 50 days that the MU crisis, that the bicentennial crisis is not been solved by the state government and by the union government. This is very unfortunate, and due to that chain reaction, the effect to the students who are pursuing for the postgraduate. So we need to declare out our sixth semester exam as soon as possible so that we can go for study, further study.
Wato border pillar number Murpumato Yangsinaba Mihum Saba Bart Sharkagi survey team Mama Nasin Fala Tunglare. Official Sing Adudi, Ministry of External Affairs K Joint Secretary Bangladesh Myanmar, Shri Pribha Ranganathan, Ministry of Home Affairs K Joint Secretary Border Management, A.V. Dharmareddy, Amadi Surveyor General of India K Lieutenant General Girish Kumar ne. Makoning ngasi Imphal Airport ta hek thunglabaga UCM gi mi manga na sabat team amana pung amrong wari sanake wari sanaba matungda UCM gi General Secretary Kraizam athobana paumi sing da phongdokibada Manipur lenga gauna mari lenaba singna border pillar number marpumathoi si lising wasama pal homputreta Myanmar government ka yana kiba matungina yungkibani haibasu matamadu leramba traditional boundary gi matangda ngasi lakliba official sing asina wapamamta phongdok pangamdre aseng ba khangdok ngaba lakliba team asina darkar oiba khosu kholai sing yawdan lakhe makoina border pillar khak yenglaga sumba putokpa ngamloidabana ngasi lakliba survey team asida thajaba ngamde makhatana khongjang sanction khegani haiki
preamble the palliba traditional boundary aduda delimit tawraga demarcate tawrakanda lepthong narko boundary na hairibse masigi traditional boundary si karamba boundary bu traditional boundary ne haina moina lawrakanda adudagi source lawraga semak liba anoba boundary no haina hangbakanda traditional boundary ki source ama piu noina karamba source na ino habisi moi pakhom piba ngamdre surveyor general of india gi team ekoi gi team Home Minister ki team, External Affairs ki team punna phamakanda matam kha sangna yamdravada thama dagi tadana koi phamba gi dangai phadabale akoina 81 pillar khakta dani moi yunga chakrije akoina haibedi 81 khakta nate entire Manipur ki boundary ki saruk sing yunga border pillar sing sia loina mak no hona ni yengba daka le makoina lawriba traditional boundary ki source karamba source gi lawro kanda kadai dana handoi kadai dana hanjalino sia akoi ju khangma ngamdre khangdabarina adu khangdoktana Moina Hana Togi Sing Tajan Oidre, Tajadrabanina, resurvey on the traditional boundary source, Moidi Tato on the Gallery.
Manipur University Mahiro Singna VC Epipande Lokto Haina Dabi Toduna Kawadagi Kongsanama Impal Tamna Lakpada Singzama Kompleke Mapada, Police Natatuna Makatana, Selan Kidre. CCR Secondary School के complex मनु लेरिबा अंगोम अपुपा इबुदो पुरै रोम्बा इफेंदो पिथेट्स लेमगे संगलेल ngasi Manipur gi ningthou lesem sana jawna hangdokre leba ke maiba mabi amedi sage gi myoi ke yawna pangtho gi batormaduda iningthou lesem sana jawna mafam asi angom sage gi horofam oramba khak natana angom salagi sangai umpamne lagi kubum asi tungda lakadaba mirol kayana khangong nana bak ngasi tormaji pangtho pani haike
asi akoina Sida leibes kakang kangla oino wi sumana yek ter ki magi kangla mayam haidi ningthou leijaramba ningthou palamba konu ngana mafam se akoi ga tei si khala mangre adu ngasi di akoi gi laibuk phaba haigadra angong gi di ngasi se amuk nahong nong hingale adu ga leibak miam na su atopa yek salai miam na su laaga masida ibdo purai romeda nibidana leibaki hojik akoi gi tangdu leita da phiba mayam ama leiba sa Masi ekogi singu lai khoyom lai puna mangna masi ekogi solution haiba tare yamna ekoi miwe bana puthokpa ngamdaba aruba ngaktani hoji khogi leibak si thengnari se ado puna makse mina ngamdaba pose lai na ngami aduna lai na madumba ekogi solution na do pibiraga leibak si yam ingna singna nuai hai phana leibak si leiminari ba kanglu puna makse ekoi wakhal taminana yamna tangdu leitana Sahot bagi mageda, nusina bagi mageda, amato bagi mageda, ngasidagi di ibido ibendo gi sana sangnensi sangga baga iroinana puroko oresanu.
Kudeng thabida lebe taranri suba sam rifles na ngarang ayu asa ok sing sek to budak miwema WY tablet lising tarak ponana fare para miwe do de thangpau haukif apokpa damse haukif moregi konom 5 village tagini. Hozik pau gimertana tema brema tamamane se.
Saraswati Coaching Institute, Singmirong, Khonangkarak, Imphal. Admission open. Medical regular course, NEET UG 2019. Starting of class 25th July. Special futures. Supply of the study material from Delhi. Weekly tests strictly in the NEET pattern. Free studentship, secure mark for 80% and above. 50% concessions. Those students who study more than 2 years in medical class. Hurry, limited seat only. We nourish your futures.
I think we should run. At once.
Winky's Swiss roll. Yam turabo. Punshibu. Winky samtadi piyudana.
Papa, Greg John gidi Tatis College di. Mamal sumapang kuding chamane yo sumangaroy pista salabrina. Ado sumatakta Superlink footing gi offer mayamang pirisi di. Tas electric run no sin bagum na yoti sin bayar.
Dudi sanagi mohut yang na sin bayar.
I think they are going to get us. Indeed, indeed. I think they are going to finish us. I think we should run. At once.
Winky's Swiss roll. Yam turabo. Punshibu. Winky samtadi piyudana.
Booking open for office spaces and retail. The key features are retail shop and cafes, exclusive space for offices and the 5th floor, power backup, modern security system, adequate firefighting system, automatic lift, ladies and gents washroom. For further details, please contact the Swan Tower, MT Avenue, Imphal. Contact number 708527511. Email us at swantowerarcade@gmail.com.
Nati chat lagi ba? Please ay chat lagi ba?
Election ki matam loy khadi adu tuma amu unaw phangaro
Asum tawna mango season na chatrabada. Atum haina Winky's mango Swiss roll. Atum phangdaro khangedana.
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungairaktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiyu.
A magic mix of chocolate and vanilla marble cakes from Winky's, the cake specialist.
Enjoy the tastiest bread in town. Manufactured with the highest quality in the most hygienic bakery in Manipur. White bread from Likla Bakery, now Manipur's favorite bakery.
Nati chat lagi ba? Please ay chat lagi ba? Target ki season na loy krabadi adu di ma amu hana unab phangaro. Asum tawna mango season na chat krabada adum haina Winky's mango Swiss roll adum phangaro khangedana.
Break matun taranok seri makara boxing Manipur da ahan boina Agriculture Department na Mission Organic Values and Development North East Region ni makada RCM 9 amadi tampafo organic low patafta unana basem saba hokre ngasi Imphal West amasung iski lam hector lising amada farmer interest group sem duna chathagadoriba low patap asigi matangda Additional Chief Secretary Agriculture Let Khogin Hawkif Agriculture Department ki Director PS Rajendra Yauna yingsin ki Imphal East amasung West ki manung senba Kaithel Manbi Karong Sangai Telamadi Uyumpok may lekay da hagting na sa tunay yingsin ki amadi lomising da organic input singsu yentoke Agriculture Department ki Director PS Rajendra na Department na sina mamang sayda organic ki low pathapta sa haw thaduna may papangamkre handak sayda ki hawduna tampaki labuk singda organic ki faw puthok na ba tabak paikat pa hawni matamamda chemical har kya seasonal na puthok pa puthok madudagi karan na thayduna ipaipogi haktak tagi laba low patap sida amuk hanjina na ba hona bagaluna na miyobi haksang da sok ba puthok sing asi puthok na ba hona bani masi mai pangna na ba hona bada lomi singi thamoi sengbusangi haike
Bharati mafam khuding bi seasonariba quantum of fertilizer and quantum of pesticides. Si season of the at state can or risk yang of the which am done low over. I do give vision to the organic farming to we are near Haidana scheme Mamaka Mission Organic Values and Development of Scheme Mamaka 2015 the government of India launched away, particularly for whole Northeast state, including Sikkim. So many organic over Aduga Amarondana if fertilizer consumption am high over say. Masikitang I some Masitam experiment or receive the co. After 3 years, masi conversion transition per si lower can organic name for Kaduini. ꯑꯗ ꯅꯥꯏꯕꯔꯤꯡ ꯐꯤꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯔ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯃꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯇꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ unnecessarily dꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯔꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ
Technopol District Police Headquarters na sinduna miyam gi numit thorom ngarang pangthokre thoromadu da Technopol gi DC e tobikanta Technopol District ki SP Dr S Ibomcha Technopol Police ki OC John Longkang ADC More M Bangkimna marube mi sing wani sarwaki thoromadu da khunja singi maikai digi phongdok kibada Technopol da lirba Post Office Branch asi matik saba Post Office ama ohenba Employment Exchange ama more thamba nomigi license lobo yahanba amade Technopol da Residential School ama Lehen View haiba wafam pukhalaki Technopol District ki manung da leiba Village Safe Association na Technopol District ki manung da Vehicle Registration Transport Office ama Lehen View Treasury Office su thamview haiba wafam pukhalaki Water Resources Department gi workers samdi master role gi tha tarong gi tolop pithok tana leiba asi athuma tumda pithok piu haina all Manipur IFCD employees and workers organization Water Resources Department na chief engineer gi kada khongjang changsan khre chief engineer ga wari sanarba matungda thuma tamda makoi gi tolop pithok na ba honage haina thajaba pirak khre hari organization gi general secretary L Bimol Chandrana employees lising wasupna yangkhai gi awaba yengbiraga tolop pithok piu haike
Lisang sina chahi ama hena tolo phangtaba haibase praja khoi ama oiriba akhoi gi employee sing sida workers amadi akhoi MR employee sing sida kham thing awa base kohan bina bai na khoina akhoi mapi ba pa oibo jing akhoi gi oibo sing sida khoina haijabani specific identification number aina sinan hainai base asi finance department dagi PU na khoina moina hairap matungina akhoi na arrange taba loire mase khoi tharani adubo public works department gi di MJL tha daga su moi wajik November December January aduga February 2018 bogi tolo thamai tolo se koin thadui adu kai gidamukta Water Resources Department that akoina MJL thaba thada bain kai gi thibiri bino haibasini question am live se backlog le horiba 13 months ki tolo base athuma tonda pithopi oina ai appeal tawjari
Manipur SSB Pensioners Welfare Association na ban mahasab ka mari lenena fasoi part 2 da leiba Pamyan Club ki ekoi bida usara sani rom thakre usara sing adu thabda natana mapung mari fan hingna ba thabaksu lokat kani hari usara thaba du da Welfare Association samadi Pamyan Club ki myoy kya sosoga ki Joint Travel Students Bodies na kokiba ngarang euktagi hauna sathakiba singi ban adu miyam gi yengduna blockade oina sathargini hena khanglakle ngarang ban manungda JTSB gi volunteers singna lambi thimi thabak sathaki bannaduna kangpopi de sauna akaibe piki JTSB gi wangang loi thangtil lands haukipna athuma tamda taliba dabi si warisin Manipur sarkar na purakadabani hari
Manipur ki matanga hojik ki more ki matang ne aduga MU ki matang gi se in compile with that hojik se koina ban chatharabini hojik ki government na damda leibi radi hena function se changsin ngai su leibi aduna government na thu matam da action lo yo hai bise ko dige appeal ni
loisala ko mo pause mo kana pisre Assembly session matam kara sangtok khidabo opposition leader oibo bin pen phongdo khre amari Mayor Singh Prakya Haidu Haiba Dabi Tawduna Joint College Students Forum na ngasi ayuk CM ng Bangalore at Tunjin Kray. May kumasipaw po ide ay sa episode po matang slow jire may tabi punong pumukan na kundray.